Be ready for the dictation. Start. It is after a long time that we have become independent and attained complete freedom. We are now free to build our house in the way we like. I want you to realize that each one of you is now the ruler not only of one corner of India but of India as a whole. I have been elected president of the country as a whole. Any one of you can be elected like me to this high position. There is no bar, there is no restriction. You have to win it by your own service and by your love of the country. I am hoping that the day is not far off when the so called backward people will come to occupy the highest positions in society. I would therefore earnestly request you to consider what great achievement has been made by our attaining independence para. I have heard with great interest what you have said about your requirements and needs. I am not surprised. I would have been surprised if you had not told me of that. It is a happy sign that you have begun to feel that you know something and you have got somebody to whom you can make that demand. I was somewhat surprised when I was told while coming to this place this morning that no head of the state had ever visited these parts before. Well, whatever might have happened in the past, you must rest assured that your interest will be the interest of the country as a whole. It is realized that the greatest need of this part of the country at the present moment is improvement in communications and means of transport. As a result of the partition, Assam as a province was cut off from the rest of the country as the railway line which linked it with the rest of India passed through Pakistan. The government of India, therefore, naturally thought that the first priority should be given to the linking of Assam with the rest of the country by means of a railway which passes through Indian territory and not through Pakistan. That was done in record time by our railway department. In the course of my present visit, I have travelled to this part on that railway line. The government is also aware that you need a railway to link this part with, say, Golpara or Dhabri. The matter is under active consideration and a survey is going to be made. Once it is done, many industries will develop here, as you say. The government is giving also a high priority to the making of the roads there.